Welding usually brings to mind working in the manufacturing industry, but there are several industries to take the skills you acquire for employment in creating or repairing metal products, from pipe fitting and building ships to maintaining oil rigs underwater. The Welding Technology program introduces students to hands-on welding and cutting instruction on a variety of ferrous metals. Instructions include basics, oxy-fuel cutting, gas metal arc welding, shielding metal arc welding, flux core arc welding, gas tungsten arc welding, and other thermal and mechanical cutting process. Each process is specific to the metals being used and the type of fitting necessary to complete the project. Students also learn process-specific and welding shop safety practices, basic print reading, and the proper uses and applications of AWS welding symbols.